Welcome to 261 sprawling acres in Alabama, complete with hardwoods, open fields, 2 stocked ponds, luxury homes, and your very own private 1,300-foot grass airstrip with airplane hangar. dreams of space and seclusion, this property has it all. The main residence spans over 9,700 square feet under roof, featuring 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Designed with both comfort and luxury in mind, it blends open living spaces, elegant finishes, and expansive views of the surrounding countryside. A beautifully renovated 2,400 square foot guest home adds additional accommodations, making it ideal for visitors, family, or extended stays. 2 stocked ponds provide serene settings for fishing, wildlife watching, or simply relaxing while soaking in the peaceful surroundings. The 80 acres of open fields and 160 acres of hardwoods offer endless opportunities for recreation, from horseback riding to ATV trails, while maintaining a private and tranquil environment. For aviation enthusiasts, the property includes a 1,300-foot private grass airstrip with a 3,000 square foot airplane hangar and workshop. It's a unique feature that elevates this estate beyond any typical country retreat, allowing for direct access to the skies from your backyard. Additional amenities include a covered pier on the larger pond, multiple outdoor spaces for entertaining, and plenty of room for expansion or customization. Every detail of this estate has been thoughtfully designed to balance luxury living with a connection to nature. This Alabama property is more than just land and homes, it's a lifestyle. From private air travel to fishing, equestrian pursuits, and quiet country sunsets, this estate provides the ultimate combination of freedom, beauty, and versatility. Schedule a showing today to experience this extraordinary retreat firsthand.